Hello everyone and welcome to this module. We're going to discuss effective and ineffective visuals. Up to this point, we have been able to play with data, but how do we know we are choosing the right visualization? One of the challenges with doing visualizations is actually being able to decide what is the best visualization for the type of data that you have. Some visuals are better for certain types of data than others. Knowing the intent or purpose of a particular visual and its advantages and disadvantages will help inform your decision. Upon completing this module, you will be able to identify the types of visualizations that are available in Tableau, and we'll go through some examples. We'll also discuss the role ethics plays in developing a visualization. And trust me when I say you want to act ethically while applying sound design principles. We'll also examine an ineffective visualization and figure out how best to improve it. Okay, we're all set, so let's get started.